Okay, so today let's talk about worlds. A world is a unique dashboard that allows you to upload images just for those tables and connect player character sheets so you can view your player's character sheets as the DM or a manager. So let's go ahead and create a new world so I can show you what this looks like and how to get everything running. All right, we're in our new world. We don't have anything yet, but we will have a table we can use. And as you can see, there are no images as I would usually have on my main dashboard tables. So we can upload our own images here. And if you assign another player or someone who's been invited into the world as a manager, then they can also upload images to the table. A world is its own environment. So if you assign other people to upload images to the world, then it counts against the data used for that world, which there will be a pro tier subscription for just for that world, which anyone in the world can pay for. I know it's a little annoying. I keep using the word world, but it'll make sense over time. So, okay, I've created my new world. I've uploaded an image to a table on that world. Let's say I want to invite some people over. So they need to have an account at FarReachCo, and you can go ahead and copy that share link, send it over to them, and then they'll have access to that dashboard. You can assign them a manager privilege if you want them to be able to edit things on the VTT, or view the player character sheets that have been connected. So, oops, wrong world. Where's our new one? Do I need to refresh? There it is. Okay. So we're in our new world. No player character sheets yet. Once we have some players invited, they can go ahead and go to one of their character sheets. Here's a new one I made recently. And from their drop-down menu, they can choose to add a world if they've been invited and have accepted that invite. So we'll add our character sheet to that new world. We'll go back, check it out. It's there, and as the owner of this world, I can go ahead and view and edit it. Makes it convenient to just keep everything associated. Who are your players? Where are their character sheets? What are your tables? What images do you have on those tables? You can also create records associated with just that world. So let's say we have some kind of crazy race, the blobs, and there's some info here about them. And you can choose some kind of image to go along with that. I don't know, this will do. And we can make this public so our players can see it if they need to. Now we've got our blobs record, just an image. That doesn't really mean anything. That will also appear on our VTT, by the way. So there it is, and we can drag it in and use it. It's kind of big, but you get it. So the other thing that we've got here is calendars. So say you need a fictional calendar for your world and you just need to keep track of time. This is not a necessary feature, but it is fun if you like to do world building and you want to keep track of time. So let's call it blobs. Current year is 1, and we'll create several months. You can call them whatever you want. Assign however many days you want. Say there's 8 months in our year for the blobs. And how many days a week? Well, we'll say 5 days a week. Just like that, you can view your blobs calendar, pick a day. There you go. Have fun with it if you like. And let me know if you like this feature. Anyway, I hope that was a good understanding of how the world system works. You've got your tables, which have a unique isolated image environment. You've got your records, you've got your player character sheets that can be connected, and you've got some calendars. The unique thing about this, I might have already mentioned, is that it's got its own data. So as opposed to your main dashboard, which is your user data, the worlds have their own data, which is accumulative. So if your other managers in your world upload things, that will go against the world's data. And in order to get more data for the world, one of the people in your world will need to have a pro subscription for that. So either you or anyone that you've invited into your world can pay for it, and you can decide amongst yourselves who's going to do that. I hope that helps give an overview of how the world system works, and allows for a payment distribution system amongst the people in your party. If that works out for you, and you want to end up having more data for your world, and yeah, multiple people can run games in this world. I hope that it's a good abstraction for our players, and yeah, let me know what you think.